Hello guys, let's talk about very important topic. I hope you are wondering what is the topic right now I am discussing. Basically guys, if you really learn something, then you should watch this session completely, because in this video I would discuss regarding vocabulary. Which specific vocabulary I would discuss right now. Basically guys, we used to use the word very in any sentence, such as I'm very good boy, such as I'm very rich of this particular things, I am very bad guy, such as I saw a very beautiful girl. So every time guys, we usually use the word very. Today I am going to discuss, instead of very, we use several good English word, and today I discuss three different type of using instead of very the new word. So guys, if you are wondering this, you will continue to watch until unless I would complete this session. Welcome to Souvik Datta Arka exclusive guys. This is Souvik Datta. I am telling you, if you don't subscribe this channel, you should have subscribed right now, because it will be useful to you guys. So I am going to discuss very important things right now. We usually use the word very in any sentence, such as I am very bad guy, I am very good decision maker, I am very rich of this particular thing. So I think you can observe every time I use the word very. Today I am going to tell you guys, instead of very, we can use good English word. And guys, I would discuss three different forms of very, and instead of this, we can use this particular English word. So first of all guys, we usually use very in every sentence. So first of all guys, as a synonym, we use, instead of very, such as quite, such as extremely. Okay, we can use, instead of very, such as extremely, then quite. So it is quite good, it is very good, it is quite good, it is extremely good, it is excessively good. Okay, so you can use excessively also, such as I give you example, we usually use I am very good. So very good, when we use very good, at that point of time you can use guys, instead of very good, you can use you are stunning, you are stunning, you are gorgeous, you are marvelous. And also you can use you are astonishing, you are astonishing. So this kind of different good words you can use instead of very good. Now I would share another approach of very, such as I am very bad of these things. So very bad, you can replace very bad awful. Okay, I am awful. Okay, I am a very bad boy. I am, that is very bad. That is a negative sense. When you use as a negative sentence, then you can use the sentence awful. Okay, you can use awful. Awful is one kind of a negative that is replaced directly very bad. Got the point? I hope you got my point. And another synonyms, another good word you can use, detestable. Okay, instead of very bad you can use detestable. Okay, so this kind of word, this kind of a good word you can use. Another approach I do share right now, that is, suppose you are very rich of this particular thing. Okay, so instead of very rich you can use you are affluent of these particular things. Okay, so you can replace very rich such as affluent as well as opulent. Okay, both meanings are same, and if you wish to improve your good vocabulary, then you can use these good words instead of very good. Okay, very rich, so you can use very rich instead of very rich, that is opulent and affluent. Suppose I am affluent of English stock of words. Okay, you can use instead of very good, you are stunning, you are stunning right now, you are marvelous, you are astonishing. This kind of good English word you can use instead of very good. Very bad, you can use awful. This is very bad, this is awful, this is detestable. Okay, you can use this kind of word also. So these things, whatever I do discuss right now, everything is about very. There are three approach I discussing. One is very good, second is very bad, and third is in general very, and also very rich. I hope whatever I discussed you got my point and you mark it up everything. Guys, if you are really wish to improve your vocabulary, then you can use these good vocabularies instead of very. Okay, it is totally up to you. If you really wish, then you can use. Hope you enjoy this session. If you really enjoy this session, guys, hit the like button. And guys, I do share I do share I button link. If you really wanna know how to improve your vocabulary more, then you can watch I button. And guys, with this I will wrap up. I will back soon with another new video. Hope you enjoy this session. If you like this session, do share as much as you can. Goodbye, guys.